Assalamualaikum and a good day. Today, my group member and I will be presenting our marketing plan report entitled Sweetness Dessert Mini Tiramisu. This product carries the tagline Premium Taste, Students' Price, a little dessert, big happiness. Throughout this presentation, we will explain about the product concept, target market, and the marketing strategy that have been planned. In the next slide, we will like to introduce the Sweetness Dessert crew.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Syahada binti Rida Effendi. My matric numbers 1253416. Today, I want to talk about a little bit summary from our project. Our group chose mini tiramisu. Our mini tiramisu is a healthy, affordable dessert made especially for students. It is low in sugar, made with wholesome ingredients, and easy to enjoy anytime and anywhere. This also helps students stay energized, focused, and satisfied while still enjoying a delicious treat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a good day everyone. My name is Nur Karunisa binti Muhammad Kodi, number matric 1251640. Today, I would like to present about company description. Our marketing plan focuses on a dessert product targeting university students, which is mini tiramisu. This product is positioned as an affordable and halal dessert suitable for students. To support this plan, we create a hypothetical student-based company called Sweetness Desserts, founded in 2025. The company aims to offer high-quality desserts at student-friendly prices based on the increasing demand for premium tasting dessert among young customers. Okay, next. Sweetness Dessert operate in the food and beverages industry, F&B, specific in the dessert segment. Its core product is a halal and alcohol-free mini tiramisu, designed as a convenience, ready-to-eat dessert for study break or after classes. Our tagline is premium taste, student price. Another tagline is little dessert, big happiness, reflect the brand's value of offering premium taste at an affordable price. So, in a conclusion, Sweetness Dessert bridges the gap between quality and affordability, making it a suitable dessert option for university students. So, that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuri Edina binti Syahrul Nizam. My matric number is 1251413. So today I will present the marketing analysis for Sweetness Dessert Mini Tiramisu, how this product will fit the market needs, market growth, market trend, customer analysis and competitors analysis. This section will show how this product fit the market student and how this product has the potential to be succeed. For the market need, show that university students want the dessert that are tasty, affordable and healthier. Students enjoy sweet treat but worry about the sugar and health issue. Students also want the convenient food that can be enjoyed anytime. So we serve our mini tiramisu with low sugar, halal, affordable and made with quality ingredients. For the market growth, the dessert and bakery industry in Malaysia is growing among young adult and the student. Busy lifestyle and social media trend increased demand for mini dessert and dessert box. Consumer become conscious about their health, so they prefer low sugar product. So our mini tiramisu fit the current and future market condition and ready to capture for this growth. For the market trend, it shows that demand for healthier food options like low sugar and low calorie is rising. Visually attractive desserts are popular on Instagram and TikTok. Students also use GrabFood and Foodpanda for online ordering and delivery. Halal certification and ingredient transparency are important for Muslim consumers. So our mini tiramisu have followed this trend. For customer analysis, main target is university students among age 18 until 25. Usually, they have a busy lifestyle with class assignment and campus activity. They want food that quick and affordable and shareable so they can enjoy with their friend. They enjoy sweet dessert but care about their health. Our mini tiramisu is healthy, affordable and easy to carry. For the last, competitor analysis show that famous dessert cafe offer premium quality but are too expensive for the student. Home bestseller are cheaper but inconsistent in quality and marketing reach. Sweetness position itself between these competitors. It offers affordable price, healthier, low sugar ingredient, and halal certification. Mini tiramisu had directly meets to the needs better than other. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Farah Emirul. Today I would like to present our product marketing strategy, which is a healthy and affordable mini tiramisu designed especially for students. Our target market is students who want to enjoy desserts without worrying too much about their health or budget. Many students love sweet treats, but they are also becoming more aware of healthy eating habits. Our mini tiramisu is made with low sugar, yogurt, whole grain cake layers, and natural cocoa. These ingredients make the dessert healthier while still keeping it delicious. We position our product as healthy, tasty, and budget friendly. It allows students to satisfy their dessert cravings without spending too much money. In terms of pricing, we offer affordable single cup options and special student promotions to ensure it is accessible to everyone. For promotion, we use social media platforms, collaborate with student influencers, and participate in campus events. We also provide free samples and pop-up booths so students can try the product before buying. Um, in conclusion, uh, our mini tiramisu is sold at campus canteens, kiosks, food trucks, and also available through online. Um, in conclusion, our product not only offers a delicious dessert option but also encourages healthier eating habits among students. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Lukmanul Hakim bin Muhammad Zubidin. My matric number 125-1C85. I want to talk about marketing program 4Ps. First is a product. Mini tiramisu is designed to meet customers' needs for a sweet treat after meals or as a quick snack. The dessert is simple, enjoyable, and easy to handle. Carefully selected ingredients are used to create a creamy texture with a balanced taste that is not overly sweet. In addition, the small serving size allows customers to enjoy the dessert without feeling overwhelmed. Its compact size also makes mini tiramisu suitable as a gift for friends and family. Next, price. Mini tiramisu is priced to be affordable and student-friendly, targeting students and young consumers. The price reflects both the quality of ingredient and the preparation effort. Sweetness dessert focus on providing good value for money. The price per cup is RM8, which is affordable for students and allows customers to enjoy a quality dessert without overspending. Now we're moving on to promotion. Promotion is mainly done through social media platforms such as Instagram and TikTok. These platforms are widely used by students and young adults. Sweetness dessert use attractive photos and videos of the mini tiramisu to capture customers' attention. Casual and friendly caption help create a relatable brand image. Overall, social media marketing encourage both first-time purchases and repeat customers. And lastly is place. Mini Tiramisu operates mainly through online ordering and targets customers located near the campus area. This is convenient for students who want quick and easy access to dessert. Orders can be placed through social media platform or direct message. The location near campus allows faster delivery and meetup options, making the purchasing process more efficient and convenient for students. That's all from me. Thank you.
Today, I will present the strategy implementation for sweetness dessert. We roll out our strategy step by step. In the first month, we focus on awareness through Instagram and TikTok, introducing the concept premium taste student price. By month by month two, we start physical sales via pop-up booth at strategic campus hotspot. Then in month 3, we expand the market with a student agent program and collaboration with university clubs. All orders are managed via WhatsApp Business. Payment go through Do It Now QR, and Canva is used to make marketing visual. With RM3,000 budget, funds are set for equipment, quality ingredients, and digital marketing. Finally, the founder handles operation with the marketing team supported by MPP, campus influencer, and local retailers to reach more. Okay, let's proceed with monitoring and evolution. First, sales performance monitoring. Sweetness Dessert Company will track weekly and monthly sales, total revenue, and average spending. This is because it can help identify sales trends, customer demands, and whether promotion are increasing dessert sales. Second, product performance analysis. Sales data will show which dessert are most popular and which perform poorly. This is because it can allow the company, the Sweetness Dessert Company, to improve by pricing, product variety, and focus more on best-selling item. Also, Sweetness Dessert Company will identify which dessert sell well and which dessert need to be improved. Third, digital marketing performance. Social media metric such as followers, likes, comments, share, view, engagement rate, and click-through rate will be analyzed. This is because it can show how effective Instagram and TikTok promotion are in attracting customer. Next, customer feedback and satisfaction. Sweetness Dessert will use customer review, comment, survey, and customer that repeat purchase to measure satisfaction. It is because it can help the Sweetness Dessert Company to improve product quality, packaging, and service while building customer loyalty. Lastly, marketing report and management review. Weekly and monthly reports will be prepared by the Sweetness Dessert Company because to evaluate sales, marketing costs, and campaigns result. Also, management will use this report to adjust strategies and ensure business growth and profitability. That's all from me. Thank you.